Well, it's our first travel day of the summer season, the spring, summer, fall 2023, and we're just finally packing up here at Sunflower. We've had a number of days of repairs. As you've seen, we've had a number of days of just getting organized, putting things away, storing stuff. I didn't bore you with all that, but I wound up making a list this time, but we'll get to all that right after this. Yeah, so I made a list. I have a list of where everything was left. Last year we got back and we were thinking, where did we leave those table and chairs? Potted plants, where was the pots? You know, we couldn't remember. 6 months, we couldn't remember where everything was. So anyways, that got solved with a Google Keep list. So we know where everything is when we get back. And now I just need to put a few things away. Dawn mopped the floor, so I get the mop put away. There's the mop. Yeah, the last of the hoses, pull off the electricity hookup, and we are out of here. So, and a record time too. I'll let you know when we finally got out, but it's looking like we're on the road it's looking like we're going to be on the road by 8 a.m. So that'd be really amazing. First time that's happened. Anyways, so starting off good. Gonna have a nice ride from here to Anaheim, and we'll get you on the other side. We left Surprise at 8:30 this morning, or just before 8:30, and it was already about 80, closing on 90 degrees. We're now in Anaheim, and I know it's not showing. Oh, 64 degrees here, and I think the high is going to be 65 this week. So yeah, good trade-off. We are at the Anaheim Harbor RV Park. One downside, sewer hose. Our hookup's here, and the only hookup is way back there. So off to Walmart to get another extension for the sewer hose. They sell sewer hoses here, but not the Rhino hoses, so we'd have to Mickey Mouse something. Mickey Mouse, get it? Yeah. So we'd have to mess with that to get it to work. So I'm just gonna go buy a new hose length at Walmart. We might wind up getting something to eat in the neighborhood. And yeah, we're just about done setting up out here. It's going to be a minimal setup because we're really not going to be spending a whole lot of time at the campground. But that's it. We'll do more about this campground and what we're doing around here in a little bit. You all set up? I didn't tell them it took us almost 2 hours more than it was supposed to get here. That's her I'm so excited to be here face. Yeah, I think it's time to put that hamburger in the freezer and go out to dinner, right? Okay, still no smile. Smile for that one? Yeah, okay, good. Sarah is chilling in the back 40. You emptied it again? She had 2 bowlfuls of water. You want more water? Is that it? Oh my goodness. I don't know if I can do another bowlful. You're gonna have to wait. All right, so let's get stuff put away, get Sierra taken care of, and then we're off to Walmart. Well, Dawn's out walking Sierra. It is a cool 62, 63 degrees at noon. Here in Anaheim. We're on an outing today. We're going to walk to the downtown Disney district. That's about a mile away, and from there we're going to catch an Uber to our chicken dinner restaurant at Knott's, and then a final Uber later tonight coming back home. We'll check those areas out, and you can follow along. So, and Dawn's coming back walking Sierra. Alright, so we are doing the 1 mile walk to the main entrance. We just crossed Ball Road. Yeah, it's busy traffic. We thought we'd do this during the daylight hours just to let you know what it was like. Yeah. But we are going to be driving tomorrow, so we'll let you know, is driving better or is walking going to be better?
Yeah.
So
figure that out.
Pros and cons of both. Yeah, one of the cons, I don't know if I'm going to do an RV park review, but one of the cons to the RV park, we're backed up to a Shakey's Pizza and you smell that garlic bread and pizza cooking. And
oh yeah,
we had to have pizza last night and break
that part of the diet.
Yeah, killed. Well, I still was able to count it and stay within points, but
oh really?
Yeah.
Good for you.
But still, it was weighed real heavy when you're not used to eating that stuff. Ooh,
yeah,
it's tough. All right, back to the walk. Up and over California I-5. All right, we are over 3/4 of the way there. Yeah, we can see Disneyland right through the green fence. Yeah, monorail, Space Mountain. And there's train tracks. And we're almost ready to make that turn into the main Disney complex. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Camelot Inn and Suites. So if we took our road 2, it would take us to Camelot Inn and Suites.
My exercise goal has been achieved for the day. And it's 12:30.
And we haven't even done...
Oh, far
we haven't
out.
even gotten there yet. Well, once we get there, it's Uber past that point, so we're okay. So we go to the light, turn right where those buses are. Well, we learned something.
Yeah, we did.
My GoPro is on a handle. The handle actually can extend, though I never use it as an extension. They will not let you onto Disney property anywhere. So you can't say, well, okay, I'll put it away and I won't use it. Nope, you're not allowed in with it. They will confiscate it and you'll never see it again. So we're apparently not doing downtown Disney right now. We're gonna go catch the Uber over to Knott's. Hopefully they don't say no to the stick, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, we're gonna head over to Knott's, just wander around there for a little bit. So unfortunately, that's the story. Don't bring any stick that will extend. Do not bring it. They won't let you in. In retrospect, I'm glad we found out now instead of tomorrow when we arrive to actually go into the park and not know what we could do with it. So at least we can get my gimbal ready for tomorrow. The gimbal handle, by the way, because it does not extend, is legal.
$14.93 for an Uber.
Okay. Dawn's pulling up Uber to get us over to Knott's, so we'll see what happens. We came here in style in that white Tesla. Made it to Knott's, and now I need to check in for the chicken dinner restaurant. You're all set? If you don't know the history of this, the chicken dinner restaurant came first. Walter Knott had a berry farm. His wife wanted something to do, so she started this chicken dinner restaurant. It got so popular that they wound up building the ghost town for people to wait in the ghost town until their dinner reservation was ready. And they kept expanding and expanding the restaurant, and then they kept expanding and expanding the ghost town into the amusement park, and that's kind of how it all started.
Yep.
So this chicken dinner restaurant is epic. It's so cool. But now they have all these shops around in front as well, so we're going to wander the shops a little bit. They got Peanuts headquarters across the street. Virginia's gift shop. Oh yeah, there's the funnel cakes.
Okay, hold on, I'm trying to get this.
Well, the question is, do you want me to put our name in now, or do you want to wander around a bit?
I don't really care. We can put our name in now, I guess.
I'll let them know we're here. Cool. So if you've never experienced the chicken dinner restaurant, you've got rhubarb soup if you want traditional, and you've got salads and biscuits. Yeah, so first course, there we go. Course number 2. Dawn got the chicken and dumplings and corn, and I got the traditional chicken dinner with the cabbage, and we got one more to go. Yeah, of course you're gonna have to wait till we get home to see the last course, because the pie went in the bag.
Yeah. Too much. I haven't even taken the food home.
Yeah, Dawn's like, I should have taken a bunch home. I'm stuffed, I need to walk a lot right now. All right, very cool.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. To Tavares, if you're watching, and Dylan, if you're watching, where's my chicken? They'll get it. They'll get it. Where's my chicken? $70. Oh no. Now you just gotta go beep beep bloop beep.
Beep, beep.
Something for everybody. Dawn stops at all dress shops. So World of Disney is basically a Disney store on steroids. It just keeps going and going and going. Well, tomorrow we are going to drive to the parking structure in our truck.
Mm-hmm.
We've walked and we've done Uber.
Mm-hmm.
Walking is a pain. I can't imagine.
Literally.
Because it's over a mile, just a hair over a mile one way. So if you walk to and from the campground, you're walking over 2 miles. And that's before you do anything else.
Mm-hmm.
Now the Uber was only what, like 6 something?
Mm-hmm.
Uber's only like $6.
Well, it ranges depending on how far you go.
Yeah, and depending on what the, you know how Uber works, or if you haven't, peak hours it might be a bit more. But the Uber was really fast. They were quick getting to us. They were quick taking us back. Definitely an easier way. And when you look at, so let's say it was $13 or $14 even, but it was actually, well, it was $6, so that'd been 12 round trip.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say it was more, like 8, so $16 round trip. That's still cheaper than the parking structure that we paid for 5 days.
And a heck of a lot easier.
Yeah, we paid like, I think, $150 for 5 days of parking. So to be honest, if we did this again, we would probably Uber it the whole time and not even worry about the parking structure. So just something to think about. So this first video from downtown Disney and all these places we've been in the past few days is coming to an end.
Yep.
Yeah, make sure you hit that subscription button.
Hit that bell, let you know when we post every Sunday at 2.
Thumbs up for good measure. And we're not even gonna say anything else anymore. So anyways, safe travels.
Cilantro.